What's up, guys? Today I want to talk to you about the number one reason people fail in business. It's very simple. They give up too quickly. When business gets tough, you feel like exiting or giving up. You could just be one good employee away from your business taking off. It's all about having the right people in the right positions. The second thing that people make a mistake in business is not having the proper skill set. And the simple solution is getting the right skills. If you can't get them, find the people that have them. It's that simple. Never give up. Get the right person in the right position and get the right skills. That's the number one formula for a great successful business.